The word for this video is salt. As a noun, salt means a common substance, chemically consisting mainly of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, used extensively as a condiment and preservative. As a noun, salt means one of the compounds formed from the reaction of an acid with a base, where a positive ion replaces a hydrogen of the acid. As a noun, salt means a salt mass, a saline mass at the shore of a sea. As a noun, salt means a sailor, also old salt. As a noun, salt means randomly chosen bytes added to a plaintext message prior to encrypting or hashing it, in order to render brute force decryption more difficult. As a noun, salt means a person who seeks employment at a company in order to, once employed by it, help unionize it. As a noun, salt means flavor, taste, seasoning. As a noun, salt means piquancy, wit, sense. For example, attic salt. As a noun, salt means a dish for salt at table, a salt cellar. As a noun, salt means skepticism and common sense. As a noun, salt means indignation, outrage, arguing. As a verb, salt means to add salt to. For example, to salt fish, beef, or pork, to salt the city streets in the winter. As a verb, salt means to deposit salt as a saline solution. For example, the brine begins to salt. As a verb, salt means to fill with salt between the timbers and planks. As a ship, for the preservation of the timber. As a verb, salt means to insert or inject something into an object to give it properties it would not naturally have. As a verb, salt means to include colorful language in. As a verb, salt means to add filler bytes before encrypting, in order to make brute force decryption more resource intensive. As an adjective, salt means salty, salted. For example, salt beef, salt tears. As an adjective, salt means saline. For example, a salt mass, salt grass. As an adjective, salt means related to salt deposits, excavation, processing or use. For example, the salt factory is a key connecting element in the seawater infrastructure. As an adjective, salt means bitter, sharp, pungent. As an adjective, salt means salacious, lecherous, lustful, of animals, in heat. As an adjective, salt means costly, expensive. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more word videos.